Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to quickly fix this very common error message on the iPhones which says no SIM card installed. Well, the phone is showing a no SIM error message when in fact I do have a SIM installed. First, I'm going to kill the obvious. Sometimes it's just as easy as rebooting the iPhone. So first, do make sure you reboot the iPhone, and in case the error message still persists, then we can try to check on the things I'm going to show you. So most of the time it's related to a contact issue. So somehow the phone is not reading the SIM card properly. So I'm going to show you how I fix many of these issues. So we take out the SIM. So you see there is a SIM card installed, and the issue could be just related to that the SIM card is a bit dusty or muggy. So I'm gonna just quickly remove anything I might have here. It's like the old back times, when we were playing Nintendo or family computer, that you need to take out the cassette or the disc, however you call it, and clean it a little bit. So I think that should make it. So let me try putting that back in and see if we are good. Voila, so it started searching the service. So yeah, this is it, sir. This is, guys, it took me 1 minute and we do have the error message fixed. And the second most common issue that is causing this error message is actually some issue with the SIM holder itself. Sometimes you accidentally drop the font, and that creates some issue in the SIM holder, and it's bent and making it not able to place the SIM properly. Then having the contact issue. So I'm gonna quickly show you how we can also fix this one. So I'm gonna check out the tray, and as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see it properly, this is it. The holder is not aligned, right? It's kind of bent. So what I'm gonna do is try to use my hand just a little bit. Okay. It might not be perfect, but just try to make it as straight as possible. Okay. Looks much better than before. Okay. Maybe that should fix it. Okay, I'm gonna put it in, and voila, again, it's again searching signal. So it's good. Leave us a comments below and let us know how did it go for you. And if you find the video helpful, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.